Hey everybody, this is Corey, and this is another screencast for you today. Today we're going to look into an application for the Mac called Typinator. Typinator is very similar to a program from Smile on your Mac called Text Expander. This is actually from the Mac Heist this last year, or this last couple of months, and this is one of the prizes, and I've had a chance to play around with it, and I absolutely love it. It's actually come in handy. I don't use it a ton, but it comes in handy for little repetitive things. So let's get right into it. Let me open up the application here. First off, it runs in the background. You get an icon up on your menu bar here. Now, if you look over here, it does come with some items already set up in it. So it comes already with your date, with type icon, type URL, and things like that, with best regards, and all this. And let me just show you kind of the things that you can do, and then I'll show you how easy it is to set one up. So the first one, the ones that it comes with, we'll go through there. So if you type in DT in anything, it'll put today's date. Next, we'll do the type icon. I don't know if that'll come up on here or not. There it goes. And let's go ahead and we'll do their URL, if I can spell it right. And it automatically comes up with everything that everything that they need. So you set up your things, that's what you get. So a couple that I've set up myself have been from my website. And then also for when I'm doing show notes or anything, when I'm doing any show notes for either of my podcasts, I've got it set up where I can just type in short commands. So for random ramblings, I type in RRL, and it sets up all the coding I need for my RSS feed and my iTunes. And then I can also, for Tech Hijack, type in THL and bring that up. One that I just set up today for this purpose is a troubleshooting. So if you're into tech and you're doing, you're doing IT kind of stuff, or you're your family and friends IT support, and you're constantly getting like the same questions, or you're having to answer the questions the exact same way a lot of the time, this is great, so you don't have to sit there and retype the same thing over and over again. So the first one that I have here, I titled TRB1. And it says, stop all applications, reboot the machine. If this doesn't work, try. And I just left it there. So in our text editor, if we type in TRB1, it puts that in for me. So I can definitely make this a lot longer and set it up and send it. Have it set up so if someone asks me a question and it's something I've done before, I've helped people out tons on it, I type in a short command. That email is done, I send it on to them. So let me show you how easy it actually is to create one of these. First, you get a setup here, my abbreviations. You can actually add things to those. But let's go ahead and add a brand new abbreviation here. And we'll call this one setup 1. You want to make sure it has a name that you wouldn't normally type. So if I just said setup, if I actually go and start typing something and said, can you come help me do the setup on this thing, it would put this instruction. I'll actually show that. So setup, quit all apps, install software, and make your abbreviations. And that'll be what we'll do here. I'll put the period in there, and that is done. So now when I want to put this in there, I just do setup and then 1, and it gets replaced. Now if we take that 1 out and just save it like that, I'm going to type in a sentence over and See, I type that in and then it replaces. So you want to make sure this is a unique name. So you could do short abbreviations or give it a name that you can recognize easily. Other things, we'll go ahead and keep that for now, is you can make it where it can be case sensitive or not sensitive. So it kind of depends on what you want. It's also has setups for other languages and some different things that you can do here. So let's go back to this one here. So if I type in that setup one, the cursor is right after what I type. Let's say I want the cursor to be 2 below. Now, if I type in setup 1, it goes 2 below, and then I can put my, if this was my signature, I can put that in, or additional instructions. So, easy to use, a lot of features. I'm only touching just the tip of the iceberg on this one. It's definitely worth taking a look at, playing around with. I'm not positive on cost, because it is showing in price with European, and I don't know how everything's translating right now cost-wise. I'm going to say it's probably about $25–$30 USD. I could be wrong, but great application. Give it a try, see what you think about it, and that's going to do it. The website is www.ergonis.com. So it's ERGONIS.com. And you can find out a lot more information about it there. And they've also got a screencast there, so you can kind of see a little bit more of the features as well. So that'll do it for us for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.